In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to activate Verizon SIM card on iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase the main ways in which you will be able to activate your SIM card for a Verizon-issued iPhone. So this will work for physical SIM cards or eSIMs. First, you can do it through the website. So I am recording this process on a PC or laptop, but you can do the same exact thing through a smartphone. Simply open up a web browser and go to verizon.com. In here, use the search function and look for the word activate. Now you will find the two main options related to activating your iPhone SIM card. You have the eSIM card and the SIM card, which is the physical one. If you click on the physical SIM card, they are going to say it here. To activate a new or replacement SIM card on your device, visit the Activate or Switch Device page in My Verizon. So you can either do this through a web browser, just click on this link, or download the My Verizon app from the App Store. When you download this app, your device is going to be identified and you can follow the prompts on the app itself to activate it. There is no secret to this. It is usually very intuitive and automatically done. But if this link does not work or you don't want to download the app for whatever reason, the best course of action is going to be to call them at this number. So just look for this number or access their support page and choose the option to chat with them. By talking to one of their customer service experts, they will be able to help you get this process done and activate the SIM card. For an eSIM, you can also do it through the mobile app, or if you go into the cellular data settings on your iPhone, you will also be able to find eSIM options in there. And the eSIM activation is even simpler. You just follow the instructions through the settings and the cellular category. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate Verizon SIM card on iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.